Team, we're about to begin a complex surgical procedure. It's crucial that we all remain focused and follow the established protocols.
We're ready, Dr. Mihira. We've reviewed the patient's chart and prepared the operating room.
Excellent. Remember, this patient has a history of allergies to certain medications. Please double-check the medication chart before administering anything.
I'll ensure that the medications are verified. We should also be prepared for any potential complications, such as bleeding or infection.
Absolutely. Let's review the emergency plan and ensure we have all the necessary equipment on hand.
We've got everything ready, Dr. Mihira. The blood bank has confirmed the availability of blood units.
Great. Now, let's take a moment to review the surgical steps and ensure we're all on the same page.
Mihira, I'm really glad that explanation helped to clarify things. Now, regarding the process, it's typically a very quick injection, just a slight pinch that's over almost before they realize what's happening. Emma might cry for a moment, and that's perfectly normal, but it usually subsides very quickly. To help Emma feel as comfortable as possible during that moment, there are a few comforting techniques that often work wonders. We found that holding her close to you can be incredibly reassuring. Your presence and touch will be her biggest comfort. Also, distraction is a fantastic tool for this age. You can talk to her, sing a little song, or just try to shift her focus to something engaging. We'll work together to find what works best for her in that moment. Before we go ahead, just a couple more very important questions to make sure we have all the information about Emma. Could you please brief about Emma's current health status?